Okay, here is a quick video on water hammer or strange noises in your home. Banging pipes, strange noises. Can you hear it? So I get the phone call. I run a tap and I hear this strange noise and it vibrates throughout the house, and that's exactly what it does. The customer was obsessed that it was the boiler. There was a problem with the boiler. We took the water shocker off there to double check there wasn't some sort of weird problem going on with that, and we just put a cap in it, and it was continuing to go on. Now, from my experience, there's always a ball valve somewhere in the house. When I stick my finger in, it stops, so that proves that it is this ball valve. Banging pipes, strange noises in the night. This is what we get called to. So this is a new one, okay. So I've taken a new one apart outside, having a bit of a look at it. Can we just swap the head over? Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. There is a strange shocker thing on the top which is causing all the problems. On this occasion, we're just going to change the entire ball valve. So remember, it's more than likely a ball valve somewhere in your house, not necessarily look anything like this either. So this isn't necessarily water hammer, although it does get reported back to me as a plumber. Hopefully this helps. Give us a thumbs up and